What's up, y'all? It's Dime TV and I'm back with another video. Okay, so this is a little video slash vlog. I just got dressed, hopped in the shower, all that other stuff, and I'm about to go get some food. I guess this is like a mukbang as well, I guess you could say. I'm about to go to Blaze Pizza, but I just gotta look for a couple of things first before I go. Yeah, so I'm gonna just take y'all. I know y'all want to see. I know y'all want to look and see outside. Yo, I got a pimple, and this just bothering me. I got a pimple right here. I don't even want to say it. It's really bothering me. Like, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is? The fuck is this right here? This shit is crazy. All right, y'all. So we about to leave. We about to head out. I guess we could do a little outfit up today. But I'm on some chill stuff, like ain't not really crazy going on. Just got a tank top on. Even got the Crocs on. That's all I do. That's all. I ain't gonna lie though, y'all. I'm feeling a little like drowsy. Like, I mean, I'm not even sleepy, but just drained and down. Like, you know, cause like I was drinking yesterday, and you know, after the day that you drunk, like it's like the day after you drink, it's just, I don't know. I don't even know how to explain it. Like, it's just, you know what I mean? I'm hungry. That's why I'm about to go get some food right now. Like, you just want to be laid back, chill. Like, that's why I got the chill foot on. I think I'm getting to the point where, like, going out 3 days in a row, 2 days in a row is a lot. You know what I mean? I feel like I'm getting to that stage. And I'm 21, like, it's crazy. Just take y'all on the road. I know y'all want to keep seeing the green screen, you know what I mean? I'm gonna show y'all a little bit. Look around here, I guess. For those of you that don't know. Two Blaze Pizza. As y'all can see, I'm home. I had to reheat this pizza. The last time I had this, the presentation was better, but you know, I got ham, banana peppers, green peppers, and oregano. Oh, and garlic on my pizza. I also got 2 ranches. And this is cauliflower crust pizza because, you know, I'm on a diet. But this is my cheat day, y'all. I cheat on weekends, so I got a s'more pie. Whew, can't wait. My drinks. I just got water, and then I got kiwi strawberry. This. So, okay, so y'all, I'm doing a mukbang, like I said. And I'm about to go in on this because I am starving. Anyways. Guess what, y'all? I'm so happy because I've been on a diet since at the end of January. And I just made it to the 150s. I was 182. Now I'm 156, 57. Yeah, 156, 157, something like that. This is really good. But yeah, y'all, I'm so happy. My ideal goal is 150. And to range from 150 to 155. That's my goal. So I've been doing a great job. I'll put that clip in. Just let me know if y'all want to know what I ate. What I ate to lose weight and all that, and my exercises, and I'll let y'all in on everything. Yeah, I'm so hungry. Not gonna lie. I'm buzzing. Yeah, I was gonna record on Blaze, but there was too many people in there. Kids in there. I ain't gonna record them or anything. And everybody was talking pretty loud, so y'all wouldn't have been able to hear me. Also, y'all, I'm trying to see if there's something in my teeth. Feel like it. Ooh, that is fire. This is such a fire combination going on. I want my hands, actually. But anyways, whoever said doing YouTube is easy, y'all, it's not easy. It's not as easy as y'all think. I had to buy a whole nother phone because I ran out of iPhone storage. You know, the iPhone storage, like, you buy iPhone storage once you pay for the phone. You know what I mean? Like, it's not iCloud storage, it's iPhone storage. So you can't buy iPhone storage once you already have the phone. So I had to go get it. So I had to go buy another phone. I mean, I wanted another phone anyway, but it just rushed me, basically, to get it even, you know? It just rushed me for real. Looks can be deceiving because, whoo, you're on busting. It's on really busting. Yeah, I don't even know. So earlier I looked at my phone and I'm like, huh, what video I gotta edit? You know what I mean? I looked and I'm like, dang, I don't have no video. So alright, I'll make some clip right now. Just in case I don't do a reaction video a little later. I wanted to just do a little something different with y'all. You know, but look, as y'all know, I got a birthday coming up. If you don't know, now you know. My birthday's May 1st, but I'm not really in the birthday spirit. Next year is my 23rd. That's junior year, so I'm gonna go crazy. I'm going crazy 23rd for sure, no doubt about it. But for my 22nd, it's like I celebrate my birthday every single year. I know you're supposed to, but like there was years when I used to do 2 parties in one. Like, I used to have a party on my birthday and it'll be like with my family, or I'll have a party on my birthday and it'll be like my friends. And I'll just hang out with the opposite party the next day and have a full blown out party. So like 2 blown out parties. Nah, I was doing a little too much. I'ma just, I don't know. It's gonna be real regular. Like, get my hair done, makeup done, nails done. I'm gonna wear something, but it's not gonna be nothing super crazy. Like, it's gonna be my birthday, but it's not gonna be like, you know what I mean? It's not gonna be nothing crazy, y'all. I'm just letting y'all know right now. But next year, I'm coming. For sure. I'm coming right with it. For sure. For sure. Truth. Oh, y'all. Oh, drink history. I don't know if I said that, but you know how the day after you drink, you just feel, well, the morning you wake up, you feel super drowsy and everything, like, and down, or whatever, and you just got put something on your stomach. Yeah, that's me, literally, right now. I'm doing that. I'm gaining energy. I'm ready to try that. Ooh, look at this, y'all. Ooh, this was heated up, but I didn't eat it right away, obviously. You did that thing. I'm full. Ever since I've been on a diet, I get full super fast. Super, super fast. Like, yeah, y'all, that was so good. I'm full, but my stomach is probably gonna hurt later because I ate this snack. I don't usually eat that. That's a little going out of my, out of my lane. Yeah, y'all, this was just a little mukbang. I'm about to cut this out because I know this is probably long. I didn't really get to talk about nothing much like how I wanted to, but that's because, I was eating and stuff like that. If y'all really want to see my journey and stuff like that, just let me know. If y'all want to tour my car, let me know. Just throwing ideas out there. I even did, like, should I do like a haul? What is that called? A summer haul? Because I did buy a lot of clothes. Still buying clothes. And I already tried it on though. I definitely already tried it on, but I'll redo that again for y'all. For sure. Right now I feel like I'm about to lay down. I feel like I need to go lay down somewhere. I swear I'm all tired now. I'm gonna really just probably call it today. It's Sunday. I was out all day yesterday. Just need to relax, you know? Sometimes you just gotta relax. True. As you can see, I'm getting tired. Because I'm full. Overly full right now. But y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Share this video. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell your friend to tell the other friend. Yeah. Just, if y'all want me to do social do experiments like outside and with random people and stuff like that, I'll do that too for y'all. I just gotta think of a lot of things. I definitely gotta think of a lot of things because I have a lot of things in my head, but it's like, you know, gotta be bigger than that. You know what I mean? I'm always trying to go bigger. You know what I mean? I'm just always trying to go bigger. So I'm gonna figure that out, y'all. First of all, I just got my underarms wax. Yes, sir. I got my underarms waxed yesterday. I got my nose waxed yesterday. Both of them for the first time yesterday. I should have really vlogged that, though. That was hilarious, but I highly recommend. I will for surely be going back. For surely. I wanna itch my freaking eyes so bad, y'all. But I got lashes on, as y'all can see. I really wanna. Yes, whatever. But alright, y'all, it's Dime TV. We out.